Welcome friends in hydroponic training session lecture 6. I am Dr. K. Rahman, agriculture specialist. Today we will discuss about types of hydroponic system and how it works. Mostly there are two growing systems. One is water culture base and other one is substrate or growing media culture base. In water culture system, we grow plants only in nutrient solutions and provide support to the plants by some means, mostly by a floating platform which is made by styrofoam. We hold plants on this floating platform and roots are suspended in nutrient solutions 24 by 7 days. These nutrient solutions should be well aerated and control temperature. On the basis of water culture systems, widely the systems are used in the world are NFT, DWC, aeroponic and aquaponic. NFTs stand for nutrient film technique. You can look on this diagram. In nutrient film technique, mostly we used PVC pipe or trellis in which nutrient solution flow in a light stream. Plants are suspended in holes which are making on those trellis or PVC pipe. These roots get nutrients and aeration from this nutrient flow. When we design NFT system, these pipes are trellis gently sloped to pull back the nutrient solutions towards the reservoir and then circulated again. In NFT system, humidity 100% because it's a closed system. If you are selecting NFT system, some points keep in mind. On daily basis, one time in a day, regularly check temperature of nutrient solution, electrical conductivity and pH of the nutrient solution. If temperature of nutrient solution will rise, the oxygen concentration in the water will deplete, which will affect the growth of plants. The other system is DWC. DWC stands for deep water culture system, in which we hold plants on a floating spot. Plants are directly in water, but this system is like in this diagram. Properly maintain the nutrients balance in the nutrient solution and also regularly check oxygen or aeration in the nutrient solution. The third one is aeroponic. In aeroponic system, plants roots just suspended in a closed chamber in which nutrient solution is misted or fogged on regular interval each and every 3 or 2 minutes, but aeroponic system is completely on power base. In case of power failure, we cannot recover this system again. And the fourth one is aquaponic. It's the joint culture of fish system and plants. We grow plants and also culture fish. We feed the fish and fish waste provide the nutrients to the plants. All these systems are on water-based culture in which we use only growing media for initial establishment of plants from seeds or cuttings or roots. Then we use perforated cups in which plants are placed and then placed according to the system. The other system is substrate or growing media culture in which mostly we used growing bags or containers, pots. These pots, containers or bags filled with substrate or growing media, then irrigated with drip irrigation, misters. This drip irrigation or irrigation system is activated with timer irrigation system, automated. The excess water drained out, collected in the nutrient solution and again circulated in the system. And EBB and flow, it's also called flood and drain system, in which plant containers are placed in a flooding bay or channels. Nutrient solutions are flooded and from this nutrient solution drained out slowly, collected and again circulated in the system. All about the hydroponic system design and how it works. But all these systems are not suitable for growing all plants. For example, if you are selecting NFT system, nutrient film technique, which is perfect for growing leafy vegetables, leafy greens, but not for growing cucumber or tomato. You can choose according to your requirement and can grow plants at home or on commercial basis. If you have any question, write in comments or email. Like and share video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.